Thank you. Thank you for staying with us. We'll go through our next session of digital resources. This is a really exciting one called Learn About the World. The first one we're going to talk about today is Culturegrams. So Culturegrams is a resource that has statistics and facts about states, provinces, and countries. You can access it online through our library website under digital content. This is what it looks like once you log in with your library card. It has 4 different pathways that you can choose from. The top 2 are about different countries around the world. And just so you know, the Kids Edition and the World Edition are very similar. All the content is the same. The only difference is the way the content is presented. So the Kids Edition is tailored for the K through 5 age range, while the World Edition would be more suitable for older independent readers, middle or high schoolers. And from my own use of it so far, the photo and video content are all the same for both versions. At the bottom, you'll see other pathways here for learning about states or provinces. And I'll show you an example of a states one here. And we were going to toggle between our PowerPoint to our website, but for the sake of time, we'll go ahead and use our PowerPoint instead for now. So this is one, when you click on states, you'll see a map of all the different states that you can learn and do reports on or just learn for fun. On the left side, I want to point out there are other great features as well, even a feature to find recipes that are tailored to each state. So if for Washington, for example, there's recipes on baked apples and baked salmon, I think that's what it is. So it's kind of, connected to our different states in the United States. Another tool that may be helpful for kids that really love statistics and facts are the data tables. So you can actually create your own data table and compare facts about different states. This is what a data table can look like. The statistics are from the census. So you can take the tables, you can choose population growth like I did, and then choose the different states here. So I chose 3 random ones, and you can just kind of see the difference. So from the map that we saw earlier, you can choose any of the states. This is what the report will look like. You can choose to print off the report, especially if you want to use it offline. If you want to use it in the classroom or somewhere at home, you can do that. And of course, there are citations that are available at the bottom of each of the articles so that you can practice using citations with your learners. I'm just going to go back up one more here. And on the left side, you'll see these are all the different things. There's a lot more on our website, or on the Culturegrams website, besides the place, the history, the people, and cultural notes. And if you check one of these out, you can see it. This is an example from the Kids Edition for the World portion. So this is just one for Egypt. You can see that there are teaching activities as well. So each of the different articles or different resources has the teaching activity booklet. The booklet is the same, but it does reference each of the different parts of the website. So I'll say, check out Egypt and compare it to whatever it is that the activity will say. So it's a PDF of 129 pages of 78 different activities that are divided by K through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 through 12. It has creative projects that you can do, like designing Olympic medals, different cultural games to play from around the world. There are discussion questions and prompts for research. And it's not just for research or social studies. There are also prompts for problem solving and math and art as well. And just a note about Culturegrams, it's a great way to start your research about all these different cultures. But if you're looking to dig into cultures more, you're welcome to have a librarian recommend any historical fiction books, books written by people of that culture, or documentaries to authentically learn more than just the facts that are presented on Culturegrams. Just contact us or email us to learn more.